Hello, my dear student. Today we are going to solve the chapter Go Girls Goal. Okay, and here is the exercise. Exercise number A. Take the most appropriate option. So, first is the year 2018 saw, and its option will be D. Many records broken at the Asian Games. Okay, and first option will be D. Second is the sports Hima Das takes part in is, and its option will be athletes. Okay, second option number B. A. Third is an extra toy on each foot caused Swapna Burman great pain because she did not have shoes that fit properly. It means in the third option will be C. Okay. Next is option number 4. Vishesh Fogart was not at her peak during the competition because she was on a liquid diet and so was very tired. Okay. And the fourth option will be B. And next is exercise number C. You will complete this table about the three sportsmen. Here is the Hima Das, Swapnam Varman and Vishesh Fogart. And what I know, you will know about Hima Das is a athlete, Swapna Varman is a heptathlon, and Vishesh Fogart is wrestler. So such like you will also do option number B and C. Okay. Next is exercise number C. Choose word from the box to replace the word in a italic. Rewrite the sentences. Okay. First option is the wrestler was more than 4 kg above the requisite weight. In place of requisite, you will write down required. Okay. In the second, she had suffered a heart-breaking leg injury. In place of heartbreaking, you will write down the word tragic. Okay. In the third, women played a major role at both the sports event. Okay. In place of major, you will write down the option number 3, important. Okay. You will replace the word important in place of major. In the fourth, the heroic heptathlete had a fight pain and discomfort throughout the event. In place of discomfort, you will write down the suffering. Okay. In the fifth, the accumulated 6,026 points from the 7 event that she completed. In place of accumulated, you will write down collected. Okay. In the sixth, she is now regarded as one of the nation's stars to watch out for. In place of regarded, you will write down considered. Okay. And your exercise number E has been completed. Now come to the exercise number F. Okay. And in exercise number F, you can see here complete this write up about the successful Indian boxer Mary Kom. It is the this is the passage, and this passage written for the Mary Kom. And here is the given a box. In this box, you can see different kind of the word, and these words used in their proper places. Okay, so read this paragraph and fill the words in a proper place. It was a great day. In the first, you will write the day. Okay. Second is for the Indian boxing as a Mary Kom 48 kg, Gaurav Solanki 52 kg, and Vikas Krishan 75 kg ended as top winners. In the second blanks, you will fill the word winners. Okay. To add 3 golds to Indian medal. In the third blanks, you will fill the word medal, and here is the medal. Okay. Boxer to claim a gold medal, and she achieved the feat. Okay. In the fifth column, you will fill the word here is the mistake. Tally. After the tally, earlier in the day. Mary Kom. In the next blanks you will fill the word Mary Kom become the first Indian woman. In the next blanks you will fill the word woman boxer to claim a gold medal, and she achieved the feat. Okay, feat her first time at the games. In the next blanks you will fill the word games, which is also expected to be her last time, and again Mary Kom has proved her grit. Okay, grit and determination. Okay, you can see the spelling of determination in the box. Now next exercise is you can see here exercise number G, strike out or add on S when required. In the first you can see that there are many sentences, and in the before the starting the sentence I will told you that wherever you can see the uncountable noun, you can never use S with the uncountable noun. So looks here, a glass of fresh juice. In the juices you can say that juices, remove the S from the juices and the sentence will correct. Okay, in the second, it is very easy to make good limes juice. In the limes you will remove the S word and it will be correct sentence. In the third sentence, you will need a firm yellow lime to teaspoons. In the teaspoons you will add S. Okay, in the teaspoon you will be add S, then it will be teaspoons of sugar. In the sugars you will remove the S. Okay, cold water and a pinch of, and it will be correct sentence. And after that, cut the lime in a half and sneezed in juices, not juices, it will be juice. Okay, remove the S later from the juices. Okay, in the fifth, heat a little waters. Here not will be waters, it will be water. Remove the S in a pan and dissolve the sugar in it. In the sixth, add cold water to the sugar syrups. In the syrups you will remove the S from the syrup. And next is 7, pour out the lime juices. In the juices you will remove the S. Okay, and the sentence will be correct. Next is exercise number H. Note the nouns in bold. Which of these are countable and which of these uncountable? So here is the given some of the highlighted word, and you will decide that it is the countable noun or uncountable noun. So you can see here here is column, and in the both column you will write in a countable noun in one side and uncountable noun in another side. So you can see here things is a countable noun. Okay, game is a countable noun. Gloves countable noun. Helmet countable noun. Balls countable noun. Leather uncountable noun. Rubber uncountable noun. Air uncountable noun. Bat countable noun. Requests countable. Sticks countable. Clubs it is countable, and wood and metal is uncountable noun word. Okay, I hope all of the exercise has been completed and you will solve it in your textbook. Thank you for the watching video.